All right, it's been a couple days. I've been working on doing the caulking around the hole, fireproofing caulking around the hole of the wood and the insulation on the floor. And then I have to extend the controller wire, and we're gonna install that right here. I looked for some more of this vent pipe for the hot air, and I cannot find it anywhere. So hopefully this gets it done. All right, got a bunch of work. I only have a couple minutes left of recording time on the camera. I'm running out of room on my computer and the camera. Let's do this. Okay, so the hole for that exhaust pipe, gonna razor blade out so that the pipe fits through there and doesn't rip all that silicone away like a condom. All right, nice. That exhaust pipe just slid in there pretty nicely. So now I'm going to connect it all, and then we'll get to working on some wiring and connect all the exhaust and the intake to the outside. Okay, I think this is the hardest part of it, since I've already done this a couple times. Raising this up and down, getting all these tubes hooked up into here. Okay, hopefully I got it all pulled down. I only got 14 minutes left on the memory card. All right, and it's lining up to where I had it originally, lined it out on the floor, so that's a good thing. Screwing this thing down into the floor is gonna be another whole deal. Okay, just got the pipes hooked up underneath, outside. Okay, intake and exhaust are done. Hopefully that intake is far enough away from the exhausts. Now, I'm gonna do a tricky thing of cutting this thermostat wire, and then we're going to extend it with thermostat wire from the hardware store. So hopefully it goes together, no problem, easy peasy. We have our power cable that we're gonna have to splice back together because this pinch was not good enough, so we're gonna have to update that. Might as well just rip this one off right now. Yeah, those pinches were no good. I'm a bad pincher, or I'm using the wrong tool or something. Figure out where to put the black wire, and we're almost, yeah, just wired up. Just gotta fix some wires, and we are going to be ready to roll. Oh, I have to cut out the vent, the hot air vents, and get that all wired, plumbed up. I got all this stuff spliced up. All these cords are all looking good, almost correct. Controller switch, got the longer cord, now we can start plugging stuff in. That almost looks professional. That's not bad. Okay, so first thing I need to do is figure out where the positive and negative are going. Oh, positive goes to the battery. The negative, I don't know where the negative is getting plugged into yet. Oh man, I got so much stuff to do. I'm trying to keep you in the loop, but it's hard with, making it hard on myself. All right, I am just cutting holes everywhere right now. Cutting holes for the vent, cutting holes to run wires for the thermostat and the power. Yeah, not making them look pretty though. All right, I'm gonna say that's a success. It all came back together and turned on, and it's working. So we got our controller over there, and that actually has a clock on it. I like that. I can only figure out how to turn it on and off from the remote so far. And then I ran all the wires behind there, behind the bed up top, and then into here. I got the black one hooked up to the bus bar down there, and the red one hooked up to the battery below the fridge. Oh, this is the little vent I made so far. It's just a little tiny vent. We're not stretching far enough, so I'm gonna have to join them together to get some air back into the garage. I'm gonna have to join those two tubes back together to, not back together, but join them together to get air into the garage, or try and find something on Amazon. I'm gonna go edit what's left on the computer so that I can unload this footage on the camera, and yeah, I think that's another completed project. Just trying to burn off all the nasty white smoke that keeps coming out and make sure that it doesn't smell like burning wood in here. I have it set to 35 degrees Celsius on the little computer, where it's gonna let this thing run, see if it'll heat up the van and turn itself off. yeah, hopefully we can get a timer going at night and a temperature to where just keep the van from freezing so we can keep water in here. And yeah, it's not too loud. It's kicking full bore. Not too loud. Outside it's a little different. Tons of white smoke outside, and I just ran out of memory. But yeah, that's how loud it is out here. Not too loud. Thanks for watching the heater build. Till next time. What's next? Oh, snow's coming in like a couple days, so it's a good thing we got the heater installed. It's November 3rd, election day. I went out and voted, and it's my birthday tomorrow. And as of November 1st, you have to pay to park in the snow park parking lots, and you can also camp there overnight. So those are $25 a year. Very recommended if you're gonna be around the Northern California snow area. All right, till next time, I think that's all. Peace out.